What's up folks, welcome back to our channel. Today we will discuss the best 5 products according to the budget, performance, and much more. Take a moment to check out the description below for more details. Hamilton Beach Big Mouth. Let's begin with the best overall Hamilton Beach Big Mouth. With consistently impressive yields for under $100, this Hamilton Beach Big Mouth juice extractor is both our top and budget pick. It's a centrifugal juicer with the pulp container stored on the side of the main body rather than around the central extraction chamber. This results in a sleek silhouette that should fit easily on any countertop. Prioritizing ease of use, it features a 3-inch wide feed chute that can accommodate whole fruits and vegetables. And its power switch is highlighted in silver for easy visibility and is located on the juicer's front for easy access. It is lightweight, weighing only 9.56 pounds, and in terms of performance, despite its low cost and centrifugal design, it actually performs better with denser materials. It can hold an entire apple, an orange, or a handful of kale, and with 800 watts of power, it can turn a dense beet into a smooth juice in seconds. Its removable parts are dishwasher safe and BPA free, and when combined with the brush for cleaning the mesh strainer, there are no cleaning issues, making this juicer handy for everyday use. Next is Breville BJE430SIL. This Breville Juice Fountain Cold is a high-performance juicer with an innovative cold extraction system that can produce a large 70-ounce serving of juice goodness. Even the toughest fruits and vegetables are processed in seconds by its 850-watt motor. To protect vitamins and minerals from heat and processing, it employs cold spin technology and an Italian-made precision mesh filter. Even better, with the juicer's unique 3-inch extra wide chute feed, it will allow you to juice whole fruits and vegetables without needing any pre-cutting. Its built-in LED display will illuminate if the motor has stopped due to overloading, which is a safety feature that ensures motor longevity. And along with that, there's an XL 70 fluid ounce jug for storing juice for the whole family, with the option to keep it in the fridge for up to 3 days. It has a high speed for denser fruit and harder vegetables, and a low speed for soft fruit and leafy vegetables. And at last, for cleaning, the juice cover, stainless steel filter, bowl, puree disc, and juice jug can all be washed in the dishwasher. Next up, we have the NutriBullet NBJ50100. This NutriBullet juicer is built for efficiency and convenience, allowing you to enjoy fresh, homemade juice on a daily basis. It's great for juicing large amounts of juice and won't give you a headache during cleanup. It has dual speeds, allowing you complete control over the softest or hardest fruits and vegetables, and to get the most out of your produce. Its 3-inch feed chute can hold whole fruits and vegetables, enabling you to juice quickly without slicing or dicing. And in addition to that, it has also included a large capacity bulb basin that lets you juice up to 13 apples or 20 carrots before having to empty it. For make ahead, grab and go convenience, as is sealing juice pitcher can keep your juice fresh for up to 48 hours. And with the NutriBullet juicer's unique no drip spout, you can also avoid any leftover drips or drops on the countertop, making cleanup a breeze. Next is Oster JusSimple. With this juicer, you can pack more nutrients, antioxidants, and immune boosters into your glass while saving time. It has 900 watts of power and 2 speed settings to quickly extract the most out of soft and hard fruits and vegetables. And further to that, it also adds a wide chute so that even large-sized fruits and vegetables can be easily juiced. Here you can make your own juice mixes with whatever ingredients you want and enjoy them. And once you're done juicing, it's easy to clean up. The handy rinse and ready filter has a special mesh coating that reduces cleaning time while requiring less scrubbing, and featuring an extra large capacity pulp collector means you can easily collect and store your juice in the refrigerator. Next is Hurom H-200. This is one of the most expensive models we tested, and it's intended for serious juicers. It's small and attractive enough to keep on the kitchen counter, and has got a number of unique features that we adore. As a self-feeding juicer, you can simply flip the main bowl lid, add your ingredients, and let the juicer do the rest. Its new hopper is 3 times the size of a typical masticating juice topper. As a result, you can now add whole apples without chopping them off. In addition to that, it also offers a larger mouth and an inlet for adding more ingredients while the juicer is still running, which is very convenient. The juicer spins at 50 rotations per minute, slowly squeezing the food through the machine, while its sturdy blades at the base of the main bowl aid in breaking up ingredients and feeding them down. So in all, this is an excellent option that is easy to set up, simple to use, versatile, and produces high quality juice. Cuisinart CCJ CCJ-500P1. Finally, there is the Cuisinart CCJ-500P1. This is a pulp control citrus juicer that allows you to extract more juice more quickly. It has an adjustable reamer with 3 pulp control settings: low, medium, and high, with an auto-reversing universal juicer cone for more efficient juicing. Featuring a final spin, it can help in extracting more juice from the pulp and protects against dust, while its extra long snap-up spout can accommodate more glasses and prevent drippings if any. Its juicing cone can hold anything from small limes to large grapefruits, which is quite impressive. And at last, but most importantly, having a sturdy motor base virtually means it can eliminate the risk of the juicer walking on your countertop while in use. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.